Unboxing my Sigma lens for my camera. In my previous video, I showed the unboxing of my camera and I was unable to use the camera because it didn't have a lens and I was waiting for this to arrive. So now it has arrived. This is the Sigma 16mm 1.4. If you don't know cameras, you may not really know what those numbers are, but I just learned about cameras, so I'm familiar with those numbers. Here is the lens. Feels really cold. Alright, here we go. This is my camera, so let's fix this baby in. Don't laugh at me, I'm not very good with cameras. This is a learning journey for me, so if I'm trying to figure out something, please don't laugh. What do I do? Okay, awesome. And now we have the Sigma lens, so let's try this camera and see. Now it works. So it has this screen that I can turn and see myself, which is really nice. So this is me on the screen. When I'm finally able to figure out all of these settings and when I'm able to use it for my YouTube videos, I'll make another video showing how that setup looks like. But I can't do that right now because I still have to learn a lot of things about this whole new baby that is now added to my collection.